Have you ever wanted to add a vintage look to your videos? I'm talking film grain. The things that you've seen in old Hollywood movies, a little speckle of dust on your camera that shows that you are truly filming on authentic film rolls. People who use film are considered real laborers of the art of filmmaking, whereas those who use digital are considered taking the easy way out. The world of film and editing with today's technology is a bit of a nightmare. So that's why I'm going to show you in this video how to add a film grain look to your videos without the pain and headache of actually shooting on real film. My name is Tia and I want to help you become great at video editing so that you can share your creativeness with the world. If that sounds great to you, I would love it for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to hit the post notification bell to never miss a new video. Go to this website called holygrain.com. It's a free website for anyone to use where you're gonna download a film grain pack. It's just video files that can be used on pretty much any video editing software, which is amazing. Open whatever project you're working on in Premiere Pro, in Final Cut Pro, in iMovie, whatever you're working on. Extract the folder with the film grain. I'm gonna select this file and I'm gonna drag it into my project. Take the film grain, drag it to your timeline on the second layer above your footage so that it's overlaid. Let's do that. And as you can see, all I see now are film grains and I don't see my footage anymore, which is kind of concerning, but this is how you make it come together. I'm gonna click on my film grain, make sure it's selected first, go to Window and then click Effect Controls. So once you click Effect Controls, look for opacity. There you go, perfect. And make sure just to toggle the clock sign beside the opacity to make sure it's turned off. You can see that the opacity is currently set to 100, which is what we don't want. I usually set the opacity for film grain as low as 7. So 7 out of 100 intensity. And then boom, as you can see, the footage appears and there's a little bit of speckles of grain on top of that footage, giving us this glorious filmic appearance. Now with this holy grain stuff that they sent us, it's not long enough for my entire video. I could just copy and paste it next to each other until I get to the end of the timeline like this, or I could right click on the file, choose speed, and then bring the speed down to 10, and then just have it stretched out like this, but then the film grain will be moving really slowly. It's up to you, honestly, it's your preference, but that is honestly how I easily add film grain to any of my videos to give it that vintage, organic look, and hopefully that will spice up your vlog or make your digital films look like it was shot on real film, even though we know it wasn't. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Leave a comment below about what project you're working on and where you might want to use film grain for it. I would love to know, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!